What's up, guys? I'm Jesse Jaxx, and today you're gonna get a TuneCore review just for you guys. Let's go. I'm doing power moves. We're doing power. So now you want to release your music. You got your songs finished, and you want to release your music. You have it available on Spotify, Apple Music, and so on. Sell your music online. How are you gonna do that? I'm gonna show that to you right now, and also the question: where am I gonna release my music? Through which company am I gonna release my music? TuneCore is the leading independent digital music distribution service, and I wanted to tell you more about, or I want to show you more about what the TuneCore offers and how you can sell your music, because through them you can distribute your music to over 150 plus digital stores while you keep 100% of your rights and revenue, and that's a good thing if you're don't sell if you don't have to sign away your rights, and you stay in this way, you stay independent. All right, let's check out how you can get started selling your music online in this TuneCore review. That also means I have a special opportunity for you at the end of the video provided by TuneCore, so stay tuned for that. So, and this is how you get your music on Spotify, Apple Music, or iTunes, Amazon Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, and more. How to get your music online? First, you put your music online. First, you upload your music, obviously. They send your music to the stores. When you choose your stores, we get to that in a second. And this is how you get paid. Every time you get streamed on Spotify, every download of your music on iTunes, you get paid. When we put your music directly into your TuneCore account, TuneCore never keeps a percentage of your sales revenue. The pricing is this: if you want to have, or if you want to upload your album and sell your album, you have to give $29.99 for the first year, and then each following year it's $49.99. For the single, you have to pay $9.99 per year, and the ringtone, yeah, but who's gonna use the ringtone these days? Yeah, the thing is, there are discounts for you, but we're gonna get to that. Okay. I have a discount for you, don't worry. And yeah, remember, you keep 100% of your sales. I think, to be honest, I think that I have my music all across digital platforms because I like to see I like to, because every distribution company is a little bit different, and I like to, yeah, I like to benefit from every one of them, but to be honest, right now I'm really convinced from TuneCore. Even me, I'm convinced. I'm doing these reviews and these videos for TuneCore, and I just see that it's a good place to have your music. It's a they have a good community, and they feature your music on, even on their socials, and I just like to have more of my music with them. I think it's gonna feel good to me, but everybody has to see that for themselves. I'm not gonna tell you, hey, you have to choose TuneCore and blah blah blah. No, you have to see for yourself. But I think it's good to recommend to you guys what TuneCore has to offer, and I think that's good that you just try for yourself. These are the different distribution credits you can use if you looking for uploading your music in bulk. If you have more than just one single to release, then you could, for example, you have 5, then you can save 10%. You see, 5 credits, $44.95, and so on. That goes for the album as well, and the ringtone. And yeah, things like this other distribution companies don't have. And of course you'll have your music publishing, but I think that's a different story. You're gonna have to see for yourself. I think this is a very good thing alone to use TuneCore, because through them you can monetize your music, or sync your song for TVs, movies, and so on. Also, the things that they offer is wait, where is it? Okay, let's go to my dashboard. The video monetization. This is where you have to go if you want to monetize your music through YouTube. You can also opt in while you're at the end of uploading your music. But this is the place where you can opt in anytime, collect your YouTube sound recording revenue. And the feature where I was doing a video on, how to get your music on Instagram, into the Instagram catalog, where a lot of these people have no idea what I was talking about. This is the place for in TuneCore. This is the place where you have to go so you can opt in your music and have it available on Facebook, Instagram, and the reels that they have. Yeah, you can go through this by yourself and read what they have to offer. But I think it's a good thing. So I'd say we start now. Create your accounts, and then we're gonna go here, music, and you can create your album or a single. We're gonna create a single. All right, let's go. So the first thing you do is choose your song title. Type in your song title. Do you have explicit lyrics or not? Yes, I do, in this case. Here you can choose your song, your artist name, and if you have a featured artist, you can add featured artists, which language, what genre you have. If you have a release date, make sure you have 4 weeks in advance at least, in order to give the stores time to review the release. And yeah, you fill everything out what you need here. You can look into this in no time. So now we're at the step where you can choose your store. Normally you would check all stores, right? All right, save. So now you want to upload your song, but before you do, make sure your song has the 16-bit wave. But if you have your song properly mixed and mastered, it's already set for this. So upload your song. So let's pretend my song is uploaded now and I have already made my artwork, or uploaded my artwork, which you can do here. Make sure it's JPEG or PNG, all good. Okay, so the last thing will happen. Everything should be checked on your end. The last thing what will happen is gonna take you to a checkout, and after everything is set up, you paid everything, and you're gonna be notified as soon as your music is available. That's it. That's all you have to do. So, and this is how it looks when everything is done. My artwork is here, my stores are selected, and everything is cleared, and the song is live. You can listen to it now. What I recently found out on social media, I saw that there are some TuneCore artists that post these certified awards, and I was like, wait a minute, let me dive into this. And I saw that TuneCore, obviously, or it seems like TuneCore is sending out these certified awards for surpassing a certain amount of stream. And they're not just doing this for artists that received 1 million streams or something. They are doing this with songs that just surpassed a couple of thousand of streams. And I think that's a good thing that keeps you, that keeps you comfortable in their community, keeps you comfortable with their services. And that's why I think that it's gonna be a good thing if you try out TuneCore. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know, write it in the comments. And right now, there are special discounts for you provided by TuneCore in the description. Check it out. And also, I have something else. Just check out the description and you're gonna see some opportunities for you there. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe as you already know. Peace, I'm out.